I mean, this is the best trip I've ever had. Yeah, I love it out here. Oh, hello. How y'all doing? Domino 7 here. On Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube and stuff like that. You know, I'm here in Metairie, y'all. Taking a nice walk in Metairie. Having a little outing and stuff like that. You know, I mean, it is so nice out here. Yep. Look around, you know. And you know, earlier, about 3 minutes ago, so somebody told me they get ready to sell a house and stuff like that. If I could get something like that out here, oh, it's gonna be a blessing, you know. There's a street called Lafreniere. Y'all see that? I'm on David Drive, okay? Yep. I'm taking so somebody on a bicycle. So anyway. Oh, and right here, it's a dead end, you know. Taking a little walk out here. Well, I'm not looking for a house yet. All right, so I ain't looking for a house yet until I talk to my realtor and mortgage lender, you know. Yes, indeed. Yes, it definitely is expensive to live out here, you know. Expensive, schmexpensive, you know. I don't give a rat's hat. I love this place, and I'm willing. Oh, they're building a house right here. Expensive, schmexpensive, you know. I ain't worrying about that, you know. If God could bless me with something, I'm definitely gonna get it, you know. Yes, indeed. How you doing? Oh, in case you're wondering, I'm doing the show while I'm walking. Yeah, I had to tell somebody so that person won't think I'm talking to myself, you know, while I'm holding the phone, you know. Yep. So as I was saying, y'all, as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, well, if I ever do, you know, if I ever do buy a house out here, you know, I'm definitely gonna have a housewarming party, you know. I definitely want to invite Kirsten to my house, though. You know, Kirsten K. Have any of y'all heard of Kirsten K? And the good news is she gonna be on TV, y'all. Real TV. You know, she appeared on a Domino 7 show, you know, in 2017, you know. I forgot to tell her what happened to my grandmother that time, you know. For some of you that don't know that, my grandmother passed away, you know. But all of you already know my mom passed away. You know, she appeared on my show a few times, you know. Yeah, she appeared on my show, you know. My Christmas episodes and everything, you know. Yep. Supposed to take care of some business, but well, whatever else I'm about to say, you know. Alright. So, Lord knows I sure would love to get a house. Hopefully a 4-bedroom. But if I get a 3-bedroom and it's a flat with a den and stuff like that, I would try to save some money so I could add an upstairs to that house, you know. A 3-bedroom. And I can have an upstairs living room, you know. Yep. So anyway, y'all, I'm just I got a phone call. I had to deny that cause I'm doing the show, you know. Look at this area, y'all. Yep. Don't it look nice around here, y'all? Again, I'm in Metairie, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? Not in Orleans Parish, y'all. I mean, it tastes good. That fresh air tastes good. Well, I can't taste it with this mask on. It tastes good. Again, tastes good. All right. I was supposed to go. I was supposed to go to a ribbon cutting ceremony. You know, it changed the name to from Lafayette School to Leah Chase School. You know, named after Dookie Chase's wife. You know, I never had a chance to meet either one of them, but I did taste their food. It tastes so good. Even former President Bush enjoyed their meal. Not only that, former President Biden, no, not Biden, former President Obama tried their food. You know, I wonder if President Biden tried their food as well. Well, I'm certain of that. You know, because you know. Joe Biden and Barack Obama is best friends. You know, they're best friends, you know. Welcome back to the Obama era, you know. That's all I can say. like Philip Scott said, this is Joe Biden's America now. It's not Barack Obama's America anymore. It's not George Bush's America anymore. It's not Donald Trump's America anymore, you know. I'm not into no politics or nothing, you know. So somebody look. Somebody threw their child. Oh well. I can't tell you because I don't know the car, truck or whatever, you know. Yep. So anyway. God bless me with this beautiful Dominique girl. She's a singer. And plus her, well, I don't know if I should say this or not. Well, no, I ain't gonna say it. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that off my show. Oh, it was a red light. I ain't even pay attention to the traffic lights. Yep, the traffic lights. Yeah, the traffic lights. All right, so. It's going to eventually go on YouTube, but if you're watching this on YouTube already, you already saw it then. If you're watching it on Facebook, you're watching me right now. Look at this tree right here, you know. Yeah, I don't like trees anymore, you know. Trees are dangerous, you know. Well, hey, you know, I show a love for my friend Erica to come. You know, I wish I would have had a chance to meet her best friend Erica, but last year she passed away from COVID-19. I never had a chance to meet her though, but I heard she's a cool girl, and you know she would have appeared on the Domino 7 show. You know, she would have enjoyed herself on the Domino 7 show, you know? All right? Yeah, crows on the power line. Y'all hear them? Shut up! Huh? I can't stand them crows, you know? Well, about to stop this tape, y'all. All right? Stop this live stream and stuff. Thank y'all for watching this Facebook Live. Eventually on YouTube, okay? God bless y'all. Thank y'all for watching.